On top of its unique stylistic writing tools, Writer comes with a set of simple features that will help you to organize and navigate your documents. You can see the library on your left. There, you can find the files you are working on in a searchable list. Use folders to store multiple files. You can create a folder simply by right-clicking and selecting New Folder. The gray panel is your organizer, where you can add favorites, smart folders, and hashtags for quick access. Use the arrows in the title bar to navigate forward and backward in the file list. Meanwhile, the arrows in the editor work just like your browser's forward and back buttons. Click back to go to your previous document, or forward to return to where you came from. You can also press and hold on the arrow buttons to see recently active documents. Lastly, Wikilinks offer another robust method for navigating between documents. Wikilinks make it easy to connect, browse, and rediscover your writing. To make a Wikilink, just type 2 opening brackets and start entering the name of the file you want to link to. Writer will automatically insert the closing brackets. To open a Wikilink in the editor, use its contextual menu, Command-click or Command-return. In Preview, Wikilinks are directly clickable. And don't worry, the history buttons can always help you to get back to where you came from.